Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today we discuss the numericals of chapter 4 gases. The question is, by use of van der Waals equation, find the temperature. You have to find temperature at which 3 moles of sulfur dioxide will occupy a volume of 10 dm cube at pressure of 15 atm. You are given the constants of van der Waals A and B. Values are given to you. First one, we arrange the data for numerical and then solve the equations. The numerical data for this question is number one, you are given the moles. The moles are given to you. Moles of the gas that's equal to 3 moles. Then volume is given to you. Volume of gas that's equal to 10 dm cube for the container of sulfur dioxide. Then pressure is given to us as well. That's equal to 15 atm. Pressure is given in the question as well. And you're asked what temperature is question mark. You have to find temperature that's equal to question mark. The van der Waals constants A and B values are given to you. So first one we apply the formula to solve the numerical. The formula is van der Waals equation के according P plus A n square by V square multiply with V minus NB, that's equal to nRT. I write the formula, now we apply the values. Pressure given to us, then value of A is known as well, moles are given, volume is given. We just know the value of R, and the value of R that is taken as a constant because pressure in atm, volume in dm cube. So we should take value of R in atm dm cube per mole per Kelvin, that's equal to 0.821 atm dm cube per mole per Kelvin. Now putting all these values, that is pressure that's equal to 15 atm, तो बच्चा pressure की value put करोगे 15. Then value of A given in the question, that's equal to 0.6803. Then value of N is 3 moles, that's equal to 3 square because N square is there. Then divided by V square, the value of V is 10, taking square for V. ये बच्चे आपके P plus A N square by V square का आंसर सॉल्व करेंगे. Then putting the values of V, again 10 minus N, moles are given to us, N stand for moles 3, and value of B is 0.0564, which I value put करोगे volume की, then that's equal to nRT. Again N is 3, the value of R is 0.0821, and then T. We have to find T. तो आप इनको सॉल्व करेंगे this factor, and that comes out to be 15.061, 15.061, and the value of this factor comes out to be after solution 9.83, and 3 into 0.0821, that comes out to be 0.2463 after solution, and you got temperature. Now this value divide over there, and final answer for temperature in Kelvin scale 601.601.16 Kelvins. If you want to convert this temperature into degree centigrade, which आप minus करोगे 273. So in order to find in degree Celsius, you put in the value of Kelvin 601.16 minus 273, and then your final answer in degree centigrade, that comes out to be 328.16, 328 degree centigrade. This is your answer in degree centigrade. Now we solve the second part B of 16 question. The question is, a certain gas occupy a volume of 6 dm cube under a pressure of 720 millimeter of mercury at 25 degrees centigrade. What volume will this gas occupy under standard conditions? In this question, we are given two volumes. One volume 6 dm cube and second volume we have to find. It means in this numerical we are given with the two volumes. So we write the volume 1 and volume 2 as the initial volume V1 is given to us, that's equal to V1, that is given to us 6 dm cube. So we write the volume of the given container at initial state is 6 dm cube, and the pressure of the container at initial state, that's equal to 720 millimeter of mercury. Temperature is given to us, initial temperature T1, that's equal to 25 degrees centigrade. In second case, what volume? You find the volume again, it means V2 should be question mark. Under standard condition, your pressure always taken in ATM. So P2 is 1 ATM. P2 is 1 ATM. And under standard condition, we always take temperature as 273 kelvins. That should be 273 kelvins. So first one, we arrange the data, then apply the formula. Now we convert the pressure and temperature under standard condition. Now we are going to add 273 in temperature to convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin scale. So that comes out to be 298 kelvins. 298 kelvins. And pressure converting from millimeter of mercury into ATM. So divided with 760, 0.947. 0.947. After dividing with 760, your answer comes out to be in ATM. Now apply the formula, that is P1 V1 by T1, that's equal to P2 V2 by T2. Now putting the values to find the final volume V2. Now P1, that comes out to be 0.947, which मैं P1 की value put कर रहा हूँ, 0.947. The value for V1 is, that is 6 dm cube. For temperature T1, that is 298. That's equal to pressure P2, that is 1 atm. Volume B2 is question mark. And temperature T2, that is given 273. So just solve करोगे, 273 multiply there, and value of V2 finally comes out in dm cube. So after solution, your answer comes out to be 5.2 dm cube. This is your final volume. In this question, the time required for given volume of N2 to diffuse through orifice is 35 seconds. Orifice mean the container that is open from both ends. Means आप एक साइड से गैस एंटर करोगे orifice में और सेकेंड साइड से गैस बाहर रिमूव होगी. ठीक है. Calculate the molecular weight, means molecular mass of gas, unknown gas, required 50 seconds to diffusion through the same orifice under identical conditions. तो अच्छा आपको यहाँ पर इस numerical में data arrange करना है. First one, you are given the rate of diffusion of N2 gas. Volume of N2 to diffuse is 35 seconds. It means the rate of diffusion of N2 gas, that's equal to 35 seconds. It is given in the questions. And second one, we have to find molecular weight of gas. आपको molecular mass find करना है unknown gas का. May write molecular mass of unknown gas. I write G, that's equal to question mark. And the rate of diffusion of this gas is 50 seconds. The rate of diffusion of unknown gas G, may write A, may write B, anything, that's equal to 50 seconds. It is given to you as well. And you are asked in this data, we should know the molar mass of nitrogen. We know that molar mass of nitrogen is 14 multiplied by 2, that's equal to 28 grams per mole. Now apply the formula of rate of diffusion by Graham's law. That's equal to, according to Graham's law, rate of diffusion of gas 1 matlab nitrogen divided by rate of diffusion of unknown gas. I write G here, that's equal to under root molar mass of gas unknown G by molar mass of nitrogen. Now what you're putting the values, you are given rate of diffusion for N2 is 35 seconds. Rate of diffusion of unknown gas, that's equal to 50 seconds. ये आप यहाँ put करोगे. Or we have to find molar mass of unknown gas question mark, and the molar mass of nitrogen is 28 grams per mole. Now taking square on both sides to solve the results. अच्छा both sides पे square ले लोगे to remove this under root, and your answer comes out to be 0.7 का square, that's equal to under root cancel molar mass by 28. तो जिसको multiply करोगे 0.7 square into 28, and molar mass comes out to be, after solution, 13.72 is a molar mass of unknown gas. That should be in grams per mole. Units of molar mass is grams per mole. तो ये बच्चे आपकी rate of diffusion for unknown gas. The question is the density of air at 161.325 kilopascals means it is pressure given to you in kilopascals. Then temperature 298 is given to you, and the density is 1.59 grams per dm cube. Assuming that air behave as an ideal gas, calculate molar mass of this gas. ये बच्चे आपको find करनी है. Now we arrange the data. First one, in the given data, the pressure is given to you. Pressure is, that's equal to 161.325 kilopascals. You are given the temperature, that's equal to 298 kelvins. Then you are given the density of an ideal gas, that's equal to 1.59 grams per dm cube. It is given as well. And you have to find the molar mass of gas, which आपको molar mass find करना है. The first one, we have to convert these pressure and the units into standard values. तो बच्चे पहले इसको आप convert करोगे pressure को किलो पास्कल से पास्कल्स में, तो multiplying with 1000 because we have to convert Pascal into ATM. पहले वैसे पास्कल में convert करो, multiply with 1000, that comes out to be 161.325. By multiplying with 1000, your answer is 161.325 pascals. And now we are going to convert this value in ATM. So divided this value with 101.325, so that this value is converting into ATM. And after division, your answer comes out to be 1.591 in ATM. This is the value of pressure in ATM. And now apply the formula. We know that formula to find density of gas, that's equal to PM by RT. PM by RT. बच्चे आपको मोलर मैस फाइंड करनी है, इसको रीअरेंज करें तो बच्चे मोलर मैस का आंसर आएगा. आप RT को लेफ्ट साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, राइट DR divided by pressure. Now putting the values, find some results. The molar mass comes out to be, the value of density of gas is 1.59 is given in the question. बच्चे आपको पुट करनी है R की वैल्यू. The value of R is, we use the value of R in ATM because pressure in ATM, that's equal to 0.0821. Standard values for R, which आप put कर दोगे 0.0821. value of R is given to you. Then temperature is given in the question, that is 298 kelvins. To multiply with 298 as well in kelvins, then dividing with value of pressure. Pressure value is given to you 1.591. So after solution, your answer comes out to be, मोलर मास का बच्चे आंसर आएगा ग्राम्स पर मोल में, ग्राम्स पर मोल, यूनिट्स फॉर मोलर मास 24.4 ग्राम्स पर डीएम। तो ये बच्चे आपके मोलर मास का फाइनल आंसर।